An image looking up towards the canopy of old-growth forest and the sun poking through the moss-covered branches. On-screen text, Ketchikan, Alaska. A close-up image of bright green moss covering tree branches. On-screen text, Alaska Rainforest Sanctuary. A quick succession of images showing the face of a bald eagle, a squirrel eating a pine cone, and a black bear mother and two cubs walking on a wet beach. A macro view of the textured edges of green leaves, followed by water droplets slowly dropping from a tree branch covered in green moss, and the face of a white owl with wide yellow eyes. An extreme close-up showing the texture of feathers surrounding an owl's blinking yellow eye and water droplets falling from large green leaves. On-screen text, Alaska Rainforest Sanctuary. Princess Cruises logo appears. On-screen text, Princess Cruises come back new. Visit princess.com, call 1-800-PRINCESS, or call your travel advisor.